Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm back with another Cupshe try on haul. So a big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video. You guys know I'm obsessed with their stuff. I've been working with them for years, and even before I started working with them, I have loved their swimwear. It was the first swimwear or swimsuit that I bought postpartum, and it made me feel so good. So when they wanted to work with me, I was like, yes, because I already love your products so much. So I've got some swimwear, some cover-ups, some cute two-piece sets, and some really cute dresses, because I got one of their dresses like last month, and I've worn it so much, and I don't even wear dresses. It's so good. So let's start with swimwear. All of the products I mentioned will be linked down below, as well as on the YouTube shop button. And they also provided me with a coupon code. It is Love Kelly, and that will save you 15% off of $65 or more, or 20% off $109 and more. So let's jump into this first one. Who doesn't love a good polka dot bikini? First of all, did I get all black and white? All black and white, and then a red. So not all black and white, black and white and red. Okay, so this first one, I like this style bottom, as I feel like you can control the coverage based on how far you pull it. It does tend to sneak up, if you know what I mean, but super cute. Again, I'll have all the sizing that I mentioned down below, but typically I go with the medium for most things, but love this bathing suit so much. So that's the bottom. And the top, super duper cute. It has a bra clasped in the back. So they're either bra clasped or tie, so they're all really easy to customize based off of everyone's individual body. And the straps on these tie. So again, you can control, depending on how, long your chest, your shoulder from your chest is, you can customize it with these strings. But are you kidding me? This is just the most precious classic bikini ever. Okay, so this is a one piece that has a lot of really fun detailing on it. So first, it has the straps. These are completely removable. Like, you can make it a bandeau style if you'd like. I like to typically keep the straps on just because I like a little bit of extra support. But if your girls sit where they sit, then more power to you. But it has this twist kind of detail in the front, a stomach cut out in two areas, but the bottom actually comes up like high enough, so I feel like it doesn't cut off at the weird part where typically most women can carry a little extra, it covers it. So I like that a lot. Super high-waisted or high legs, so cute, adorable. So if you're not a bikini girl, try that one out, but you still want something, not full coverage, that's a good one. This swimsuit is stunning. I'm pretty sure this is Kelsey Anderson. She just kills it every single time. So this is a one piece with black and that is black with white piping. It's kind of got this balconette type of bra shelf type thing, and then it has this little gold, which is an actual little metal gold clasp that kind of has the white. And again, this is just such a classic, stunning, beautiful, looks like $1 million swimsuit, and it fits just so great. So absolutely love this, and honestly might wear it out to the pool today. Who knows? I've been trying to wear more bikinis just to get my tan on, but this is just too stunning, and I'm obsessed. Okay, last but not least, for bathing suits, I have this red one, which again has these beautiful little gold clasps. I love these. These are actual metal. This is kind of like a triangle meets a balconette. Like, it has the wiring underneath, but the cups don't like go low. Do you know what I mean? I really liked this. Again, the straps on the back are adjustable, and then there's a tie in the back, which is ultra customizable because you can go really tight or looser. Loved the red on this too. This is like a true cherry red, and the bottoms that went with this were cute. They're a high rise, kind of like a mid-high rise. I never know where, oh, there it goes. I never know where it went. So it's got this like belt detail, which again, the gold matches the gold in the swim. And it's kind of like a, I don't know, twisted metal. It's just the details are really, really cute. More full coverage on the bum and high-waisted. So really cute. And then some of the cover-ups that I got to go with that are adorable. So first, you guys know I got these shorts last time in the black and white, and I knew I wanted them in the red and white. How cute is this with this little red swimsuit? Adorable. But also I just want to wear it with like a white button up. So cute. So love these little crocheted knit shorts. And they're honestly, they're see-through, but not like insanely see-through. And if you wear a long t-shirt over the bum and like the front, you don't really know. You just like have these peek out the bottom, and they're adorable. This skirt is probably my favorite swim cover-up bottom thing situation that I've ever tried. I think it is the most flattering. I love the different weights of the knit. So up top it's a little bit thicker, and in these middle ones it's very like loose, so it flows and shimmies and shakes with it. You see what I mean? Like, adorable. Love all the different scalloping on this. It's just such a pretty skirt. I love that, and I feel like it's such a neutral, it'll go with literally anything. But if you're wanting more of like a full sort of cover up, this dress is adorable. I love these sort of bell sleeves on it. It's very 70s, and I like that it cinches in at the waist. This has kind of got more of a cottony feel, where that is a little bit more like silky feeling. But again, bell sleeves. I love the little tie detail in the front. I think this is so cute. It's not too long. It's like the perfect length. All right, next up is this little two-piece set. Again, I fell in love with these shorts. I'm all about knit shorts. Now these are some that are completely like translucent, no, opaque, that's a big word. These you can wear like with just a t-shirt, and I probably will. I will wear the heck out of these. I've been wanting a pair of shorts like these for a while. Love the bold, like sort of scalloped at the bottom, and then the stripe, red and white. Adorable. Thick band up top with a little tie that cinches if you need more cinching. And then to go with that, but I will probably wear it by itself as well, is this little red tank. Again, has the same red scallop details all the way around. It's got 3 buttons up at the top, so this kind of lays open. So again, could be a cute cover up, could be just normal everyday wear. I am in love with this set. So cute. Then I got this. This I think technically is a cover up, but honestly, I wanted to wear it with a pair of white denim shorts, which is how I showed it. I love the pop of orange, and I love these sort of like collared polo type tops. It's got just the deep V in the front, and I got this in a really large size. I'll have it linked down below. I think I either got it in a large or something like that, because I wanted it to be very oversized and flowy off the body. Love, again, that orange piping. It's on the sleeves, the bottom, and the collar. Again, I just imagined wearing this with a very basic white pair of shorts. I thought it would look really summery and cute, and with a nude bra, I don't really care, but you could always throw a tank top underneath it if you want to. This is a style of top that I just like will always love. I love a tank with like a high neckline like this. This is a little different because it's got the deep V, and it's got like, what is it, 3 buttons? Yeah, 3 buttons down it. But this top is just such a flattering cut. I think again, with white denim shorts, with darker jeans, is just adorable. And I can't say no to something blue and white striped. It's just, this is a classic top that you will have in your wardrobe for years and years to come. Okay, let's finish off with dresses. Now this, I believe, is another Kelsey Anderson dress, and I tried to get the white dress that I got. I think they sell it in blue, but they were sold out, which I was so bummed, but I did see this, and the way I ran, it is so cute. Okay, it's got this like neoprene, really stretchy top to it with the jelly like band on it so it doesn't go anywhere. And then it's kind of a drop waist. It looks like 2 different pieces. It is so pretty and so comfortable. And then it's got this like poplin type of bottom. It's kind of sheer, but not sheer when you're wearing it. Like, it's not the most like opaque, but it's also not like you can see everything underneath it. This is stunning with a pair of black heels, black tie-up sandals. I think that will be everything. And I really have been loving like midi maxi dresses. I just feel like they're so comfortable, especially in this heat. Like, I just feel like I don't want anything touching my body, and it's nice to just have like flowy pieces that are just so good. Okay, I loved this dress so much I bought it in 2 colors. Like I said, I've been loving their maxi dresses. So this is a red and white striped ones. It's kind of got a square-ish neckline with the straps that go out. These are adjustable as well, a little bungee back, and then super long. I love the stripe detailing breaking up at the bottom, and it has pockets, which is the best feature. So this is a red and white stripe, which I feel like is so classic for the summertime. And then I got this black and cream, which I thought would be really cute transitioning into fall as well, with like a black sweater thrown over the shoulder. So again, same style top. Loved the coloring of this. Black and white, or like a cream and white. Pockets, adjustable straps, and again, it has that same breakup of these stripes. Detailing, can you see? Yeah, love. Okay, then this last one was a little bit out of my comfort zone. Honestly, I could have done a small in this because I felt like my chest, it was a little droopy up top. So if you like this dress, I would go down a size or go to your smaller size. But I love this, the base of this color. It's kind of like a minty robin egg blue. Yeah, love the colorful flowers. It's got yellow and purple and pink, and a lot of greenery on it. This would be beautiful for a spring wedding, summer wedding. Has the little belt with the straps, like the little loops here. It has a zipper to get in and out of. Like I said, I just wish that it was a little more fitted on my chest, but the length is so perfect, and y'all know it's got pockets. So I thought with a pair of like nude pointy toe heels, this would be adorable. So obviously you can tell they have some really cute options for the end of summer, and I know they will always have some amazing fall finds as well that I'm excited to check out once they start dropping those. But if you're going on a vacation anytime soon, they always have bathing suits, and you just can never go wrong with Cupshe bathing suits. They are truly phenomenal. So that is it. Again, big shout out to Cupshe for partnering with me on today's video to share with you what I picked up from their site for the end of summer, middle of summer, whatever. And don't forget to use code LOVEKELLY, and that will save you 15% on $65 or more, or 20% on $109 or more. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one very, very soon.